Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'll try to do the Airtel 4G speed test and the download test comparison between the OnePlus Nord 2 versus the iQOO 7 device, as you can see friends. And this is a question which has been requested by a couple of subscribers asking me to compare between these two phones regarding the network connectivity. So which phone will be the good in terms of the network connectivity? This is what I'm going to exactly test in this video. And this is an Airtel SIM card which I'm trying to use during this process of demonstration. So first let's start with the OnePlus Nord 2 device. So during this process, I'll try to do the download test and then I'll try to do the speed test as well. So doing two results, we'll get to know which phone is the best as well. So first, let's try to see what kind of frequency the both phones are. This phone is connected right now. So right now, this is connected to the 900 frequency, as you can see, Airtel 4G. That's perfect. And it is the RX Monitor application. Let me show you here. This RX Monitor application which is showing you the details. And in my location, carrier aggregation is not supported with the Airtel SIM card in my location. So that's not an issue for me. And this application which I'm going to download, which is a Spotify application. So first let's start the downloading test in the OnePlus Nord 2 1, 2, 3. So once after downloading, I'll try to do the speed test. So after doing speed test, then I'll try to use the same SIM card in this phone and I'll try to repeat the same kind of process as well. So right now in the OnePlus Nord 2, we're getting the speeds of close to I think 1 Mbps. 1.4 is the highest in the OnePlus Nord 2 device, not bad. 1.5 Mbps in the OnePlus Nord 2. So this is what I'm trying to check. So which phone can actually reach the maximum speed. So this is just only 30 MB size and it finished in 29 seconds of time. As you can see, the OnePlus Nord 2 finished downloading. That's good. So now let's go to the next test, which is a speed test. Let's see in the speed test how much the phone can actually score. The OnePlus Nord 2 with the Airtel SIM card. So yes. During this process, I'll try to use the same kind of server between both phones. So right now we are getting the speeds about close to 8.9 Mbps, not bad. So 6 to 8 Mbps kind of speeds we are getting, 7, 8. I'll try to do the multiple times. So maybe 3 times I'll try to do the testings, speed test. Then we can actually take the average. So what is the average in both phones after doing 3 times? So right now the upload speeds 3.1, 3.4. So 3 Mbps of upload speeds and 12 Mbps of download speeds. Let's do the test again one more time. Let's see. Second time how much we can actually get using the Airtel SIM card in the OnePlus Nord 2. 9. We are getting around close to 9 and 10. So 9 Mbps at this moment. Second time of testing 8.95. 8.95 Mbps we got the speeds, not bad. And 6.6 Mbps upload speeds. And this is my final time doing the test in the OnePlus Nord 2. So after this test, I'll try to remove the SIM card. I'll try to keep in the iQOO 7 device. And during this process, I'll try to use the SIM 1 only. A lot of users did mention try to use the SIM 1. So that is what I'll try to use during this process of demonstration. So right now the speeds are close to 9.96 Mbps. Not bad. So 9.96 in this OnePlus Nord device. And upload speeds were getting close to 4 Mbps. Now let me try to remove the SIM card. Yes. And same SIM card I'm trying to use in this iQOO 7 device, which is a SIM slot 1. That is what recommended by most of my subscribers. So SIM slot 1 only I'm trying to use, as you can see, same SIM slot. So there is no other SIM card in this iQOO 7 device at this moment, only Airtel. I'm trying to change everything in front of the camera only, so you should know I'm trying to use only the Airtel SIM card and same SIM in between both phones. So first thing is to turn on internet. Yes, internet is on. Now let me show you the NetMonster application. What is the service, what is the bandwidth is connected. That is what I'm going to first check here. Right now the Airtel is connected to the LT900, as you can see. Same kind of frequency. Same frequency as the OnePlus Nord 2. That's perfectly done. So RX Monitor application also I'll try to show you. There's no carrier aggregation supported in my location. So because not only this phone, any phone cannot get the Airtel, because in my hometown it's not supported at this point. So let's start the test. Wow, that's good. That's fantastic. I'm getting speeds up to close to 16 Mbps of speeds. 15 Mbps of speeds. Wow. The OnePlus Nord 2 did reach about, I think, close to 13 Mbps of speeds, but I forgot to do the download test. Let's do the download test first. After this test, I forgot to do the download test first. Immediately I jump to the speed test. So wow, that's kind of high scores, more than the OnePlus Nord 2 in terms of the Airtel SIM card. Same location, same band it's connected, and we're getting different. Let me try to do the download test, which is a Spotify. Let's see, downloading the Spotify, whether we can actually, how much time it actually can download. So OnePlus Nord 2 took about 29 seconds. Let's see this phone, the iQOO 7 device, how much time it actually takes. Let me try to reset. 29 seconds in the OnePlus Nord 2, and iQOO 7 phone, it's kind of pending still. It's pending and it started. So after 8 seconds of time, the installation has been started. You can definitely see that, and the download speeds of close to 1.3 Mbps. Oh my god, 3 Mbps speeds I'm getting. 3 Mbps speeds, not 1.3 friends. Finished. Wow, in 25 seconds it's finished. So if you delete that 8 seconds of my pending time, then definitely, wow, that's very fast. That's very fast in this iQOO 7 device using the Airtel SIM card in same location. That's very fast, I would say. Like 3 Mbps of speeds, download speeds. Let's start the test, speed test again. So in the download test, the iQOO 7 is a clear winner. You did see that using the Airtel SIM card. Wow, 26-30 Mbps of speeds. These are extreme indoor conditions, friends. Extreme indoor conditions. The highest the OnePlus Nord 2 reached with this kind of Airtel SIM, I think close to maybe 13.5. Yes, 13.5 is the highest it got reached in my location. Wow, 27.2 speeds in this iQOO 7 device using the same SIM card. That's kind of fantastic. I need to compare using the same SIM with other phones as well. So using this iQOO 7 device mainly. Wow, 27 Mbps of speeds. I'm really impressed. So there's a lot of gap between this OnePlus Nord 2 and this iQOO 7 device in terms of the Airtel SIM. So that is the reason I need to test with multiple SIM cards, not just by declaring with a Jio SIM. I need to use this kind of multiple SIM cards to find out. So in this kind of bandwidth, I think the iQOO 7 can actually get really good speeds. 28.4. That's fantastic, friends. 28.4. Even if I do the next time testing as well, still you can see the Airtel, everything you can see clearly. It's showing Airtel. The SIM is same SIM only I'm trying to use. Same SIM. I did not change, nothing. Even the fourth time also, the speeds are going really high. About 20 only it's trying to maintain. 24, 25 it's maintaining, friends. That's kind of huge. And compared with this OnePlus Nord 2 device, double speeds I'm getting in the iQOO 7 device. Using the same SIM card at same location, but double speeds in the iQOO 7 are not bad. So let me do open the speeds. As you can see, 15.5, 27.2, 28.4, and now we got 23.1. That's fantastic. So that's it, friends. This is a quick comparison between both phones. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below, friends. Definitely I'll be able to do this kind of videos as soon as possible for you all. So overall, the clear winner is the iQOO 7 device in terms of the download test, in terms of the speed test as well. The iQOO 7 was able to record faster than the OnePlus Nord 2 device in these indoor conditions. So indoor conditions, I'm trying to mention specifically indoor conditions using this same Airtel SIM in both phones. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, friends. I'll stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.